President Dr. Mamudu Bawumia.
Okay.
2029.
Abuza from Bawumia Nyame Akasa at the Ghana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no so what money under hwa ho be chelo pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko message here.
The edika na no pay ma menchia mfanchi akese ma Ghana Mampanyini 2029. The next president of Ghana 2029. President Dr. Mamudu Bawumia.
Okay.
2029. The Equasway. Ghana Mampanyina Yebenyano. After His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We are well prepared. We will go through the training of becoming a president. President of Ghana 2029. President Dr. Mamudu Bawumia.
Okay.
2029. The Equasway. Ghana Mampanyina Yebenyano. After His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We are well prepared. We will go through the training of becoming a president. A former vice president. Why you be we're looking at their incompetence, whatever they are doing currently. The next president, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia.
I see.
And I don't pay Ghana Mampanyina or Tiapa Muba or Timununku Muba. Now all prepare now all your consultations, now all your engagement. Now problems are Ghana for Famunino or Tiffany now all prefer solutions. Solutions also. Or like or the two or the two or the break Ghana for Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. Tinano pay Mampanyini, Michia nano pay Yakupo Insha, Oma Nkwa Botre, said also dog Ghana no. Fasa Botre ni sa kumana never dog Ghana, never trench, and never see a dear. Now from Swa, sa by way and you say all time they been to me sin under you as the president of this country, no. Ghana beye de and Machia Dr. Mamudu Bawumia no Machia Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na po Bawumia no amon na podia na won carry so Bawumia no ankan na po an soso dia
twins
your campaign song credit ko 2028 Bawumia na po obia ansa wom Bawumia na po obia ansa wom enti papa former education minister, former health energy minister, former member of parliament for Menchia South, Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe Papa, and I don't pay Mechia, so much MP before near Bushafua, Omuti,
Swing. What's about the one last one? Yes, about the young cow. What's about the young cow?
Ena eye mami ya George Wood a media mami no oyo obi a mepenasem na mbom eyade a emfi mitirimu da senya medi tumi ya mawo se bomodna de di judges anim ekoduru wa sunsumu no ozo ya Assemblies of God aso dia koma tuguba ama innocent judges ebiawu mami eno dem no nya gine da ndisi fo gwagu anim ase ewo MV Benjamin yani akoma wo obaya na sa Esther wo ye na gin say wantimi nko hini nanimu a enka Israelfo nyankwa enti ano de me adoma ku ba fi na me ka say me no wa hia da me fa me film timu da ba emfiri mi tiri mu se metua osoka e dia reto nyame nsem na mo me de tutu ma no fu se tumi a dia ma wo no enye be ma sem enye oba asem eye nyame tumi atemu and you disappointed God edi ko share atugu ban sem o de be ye de be ye be din sem hunu but the point I make can say menyi ni se H0w so no bi obekọ akoje so obeje dia be mwanwa bani mi ebo ade odi ne honi maame no so kra menyi ni so obekọ biem aden onko awadi chief justice wasa akọ council of state 2 times 8 years dabi adre trasene ho nananom na nkrofo mfanwe wo mo ho bo mo kromo yi wagen say bafu body dru a o mo renew na yi ni biem ye be me na kono akọ council of state mo ni me na agu ase maame isi kromo amobo ene kun amofa asotoko no ntino ene wasi fom na nan ye kofa akọ yi a o kasa na ni pressure konfo ani podu ayira Felix kwache no atwo na nsima o keka ni ade na
ma sword ebe sha ase de one yei wan na ekwa minika e wo park so a o say wadi kan o onu no di kan o di first but first no o say mempe biem mempe first no but me jam first na madi no na maba be di last na maba be sha ase foforo what be that what it look like tuna ye to aba editia H0w Kennedy Japan no ase ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni H0w Kennedy Japan mu a na the fact and the truth I say H0w Kennedy Japan e catch the NDC government and say Ghana for na jide wo mu nti make sure say what commission sa hospital ne dia masantefo ene Ghana for at that moment I will bet now my MPP ebeba be demonstration the same edietia when this government will fail because H0w Gh did that say we enti H0w Kennedy Japan be ka say NDC MPP for wa buy mu 8 years one commission into obi aba 1.5 years yenja wo enti na Ghana gina so to aba this MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Ashanti region, for Ashanti people, any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital, no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's it 1.5 on GP? On DD. Maybe so on GP, on DD, on DD. Sikabe no time yes or the kwakwa start 24 hours economy market ni sikabe no time ye sa sika ne yentimi yi enfan finish sa hospital na enti mistake a MPP ye no that means all part na say NDC sunye the same thing enye sa kofo na sha ase o sha ase na NDC for beto aso wo mu awie en NDC for so afiri so en MPP abeto aso wo mu so awie en na wo NDC wa ba finish no finish no
Mzee na dawo no si mu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we che se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections ye ko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi compound go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, But because of political tantrums and political gains, many will say, H0w hospital and a go san and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort to my sacrificing discard to what the eye hospitals, and most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, Miss Ombe Fund, free seniors, most of my comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? Now, find a tables net and after the Moki Kaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them color. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a chief imam for income into the queen in a politicians income into the queen in a market women on common into the queen now. Obian cannon into them queen in a 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Ah, yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open conquer it. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bi invest kwa ye kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open koko kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open koko kitinkiti. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then yet any in ho papa and I feel them watch them. Men are warning was such a misabi. Men are me catch you rajon the many members all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization started say yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and talking it mo pekin kisika. It's a mamu papa na ba mo mamu kinke and mamu ade na mokem. You will come here. And the rajon the many mama could not if I say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Buta region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff a man am one, which is never true. Onye juma or da and onye juma or da I'm nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or sister I'm not. Listen for the first time. Nam1 and kwa baby akwakoda and Nam1. Yes. Not just say was in Ukraine during say state institution we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or Council of State member or company out to good. A year before grab good board bebano no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good it me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost why na say maintain ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no Yoko, we invite directors and managers of the company mobile who take your statement. Ama grant me bomo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court. Uko court no. Court will really the tiao. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already no, what's what fizzy on my account? Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendiana afi the was by us say any mokra me da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na penache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Ah wo dwane. Tango. Personal attack as if say you office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is ABP.
Raymond,
very soon who recordings are ABP.
H0w
And this state institutions are. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my H0w.